Okay, here we are at 150 Stony Creek. So this is over in the Eagle Mountain neighborhood of Big Bear Lake. Very easy access to anywhere in Big Bear Lake, but also anywhere in Big Bear City. So you can go via the back roads. So this house just reduced in price. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just under 2,300 square foot. So you can see all this craftsman style, like stamped concrete, porch. And what's really nice is this covered porch that is going to keep this whole porch area clear from snow in the wintertime. These some really pretty colors on it too. So here we are in the main living room. And it does not appear that the owners use this one as a vacation rental, but I love the wood that they used on the ceiling. It's kind of actually got like a blue tint to it too. So come into the living room. You've got a nice fireplace, faux fireplace. You're not going to put real wood in there, but it does put off heat. And then let's go through the kitchen. Then I'm going to take you through the bedrooms, and then we'll go outside. So again, vaulted ceilings. I love these beams with the track lighting built into it too. And just a large kitchen. This would make for a really nice primary home. If you've got a very big family, could also make for a great vacation rental, probably somewhere in the 80,000 to 90,000 range as far as annual income. So back here, you've got the dining room. It appears that these owners use it as maybe a second home. And I like these large plank floors too. So 2,294 square foot. So if I was gonna use this as a rental, one thing I would do is probably put a pool table here with like maybe a little office set up for people to use. People like to have some sort of entertainment while they're up here visiting. But just really everything is in perfect shape. So here we have our first full bathroom. And again, there are 3. 2 of these are masters. So this first bedroom on the right, carpet looks like it's in brand new shape. We'll go down here into, I will take you in here first. So laundry room, which is going to be kind of in the middle of all 4 bedrooms. And from the laundry room, there is access to the garage that has a wheelchair ramp and nice epoxy on the floor too. Just a very finished garage with lots of storage. And we'll go from the laundry room over to the second bedroom with a built-in office. And again, you are just a couple minutes away from the grocery stores, maybe about a 5-minute drive to the ski slopes, and maybe about like a 7-minute drive to the village. I would also consider this walking distance to the convention center if you wanted to go for Oktoberfest. But you've got access from the master bedroom to the backyard. Nice second gas fireplace. Really pretty stonework. The house was built in 2000. So we've got a his and hers. Hello, sink. And nice jetted spa tub. Shower. And then this is probably one of my favorite features, is this big gigantic walk-in closet. It's probably a king or a cow king size bed. So then we will go into the second master. And just from inside, I can kind of tell you that the roof looks like it's in pretty good shape still. So I'm wondering if maybe they replaced it in, I mean, it's 23 years old, the house itself. So, all right. So from here, we are gonna go outside. I'm gonna take you out back first, and then we will kind of walk around to the front. So we got redwood decking. Nice little fire pit. Dining area. Be a great area for a little hot tub. You could just come out from your master bedroom into there. They do have this nicely landscaped back here. So it appears like it's astroturf. And I'll walk you down. Underneath, oh, so this is a nice little surprise, is they have air conditioning too. But good build up area too. They do have storage somewhere underneath as well. And then this is a little recirculating seasonal creek stream. And let's go. The decks seem like they've just recently been done. Here's a nice little covered nook as well, so that you can enjoy it out here. This could also be another great place for a spa, so that you don't have to get all the snow off of it once the winter season comes. So again, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 10,000 square foot lot, 2 main master bedrooms, and just reduced to 1.2 million. Give me a call if you want to take a look. Bye.